ImoLaza supports pump-dependent systems. If your irrigation system uses well water instead of city water, it's crucial to integrate a water pump into the irrigation system. This video will explain how to properly wire the pump to work with the ImoLaza controller. Firstly, we need to integrate the water pump into the control system. Please note, never directly connect the pump to the controller as it can damage the controller. You'll need to use a pump start relay to connect the pump and controller. The pump start relay functions like a switch, allowing the controller to turn the pump on or off. When wiring the pump relay, connect one wire from the pump start relay to the COM terminal and the other wire to the M terminal on the controller. Great, the pump relay wiring is now complete. Now let's make some relevant settings within the app. Firstly, enable the M terminal in the settings so that the water pump can function properly. Navigate to Controller Settings, then click on Advanced Wiring and check the second option to complete this step. Now, let's try creating an irrigation schedule. Return to the Schedule interface and start creating an irrigation schedule. Look, in the cycle and soak settings, we've added a new option called Delay Between Zones. The delay interval set here allows the water pump enough time to refill the water tank or tower, providing a water source for the next irrigation zone. Alright, that covers the entire process and steps for connecting and setting up the water pump. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, please visit our website at ImoLaza.com.